amazing. And then you think it's going to abate a little bit, you just thunder, and then it just comes down even harder, turning into an event. People are just standing and watching it right now.
It's like a movie set. It's like unbelievable it could rain this hard. Let's see the inside. Everybody's waiting.
Favorite hotel in Bangkok after seeing most of it.
I saw this boat, but it sort of looks like a train. It's like cargo on the water. We're in the rain again. We finished most of our errands. I guess it's kind of like a tug. I don't know.